27.
All right, let's roll. All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Family Meal, where I get to meet my neighbors, learn about their recipes, and bring them to this wonderful building that I live in.
Yeah, now that you tell me that, and then India is
Okay.
Today we're learning a Bengali shrimp dish.
Hello, David.
Hello, hello.
Come on in.
Thank you for having us.
No problem. Come on in.
Shoes on is all
Yep,
right?
yep, yep.
Let's roll. Introduce yourself. Let us know.
So I'm Oindrilla, and as you know, we've been neighbors for 7 years now, I think.
7 years, you're OG in the building.
In the building, and
What are we cooking today?
so we're doing a very traditional dish from my state, which
Okay.
is West Bengal. So I hope to, show a traditional dish of my region, and hopefully you guys like it. It's called Chingri malai curry. So
Chingri malai curry.
So Chingri translates to shrimp, curry is the sauce, and malai is the coconut cream. So this is the shrimp that I've cleaned up, deveined, etc.
Okay.
Basically cleaned up.
Hold it up to the camera.
And
give 'em a little-
so I have marinated the shrimp in a little bit of salt, turmeric powder, and a little bit of red chili powder. So we use, I think, about a large onion for this, one
Okay.
whole large onion. This is, we're going to grind
Sauce curry, 1 medium onion. Okay.
it. And roughly about 2 inches.
I love your ginger measurement in inches. I think that is the coolest thing that I maybe have ever seen.
I think I'm going to use 2 green chilies here, and the other 2, because if I put all 4, it'll be a bit too hot, the sauce.
Okay.
So I'm just going to put 2 in here, and 2 will slit and put it in the sauce. I don't like chopping, what is this, onion?
Onions.
Okay. Again, I'm just going to eyeball everything. I don't have the measurements, as in I don't cook with measurements. So this is the first.
But you're a real chef then. Yeah, for real. Are you kidding me? You're a great cook if you're not measuring.
This is the first stage. Is we're just going to fry the shrimp,
Okay.
and I'm going to add a little bit of ghee along with the oil. I think this much should be enough. So the main purpose of our sugar here is I want to caramelize the onions. So I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon now, and when we finish it off towards the end, I'm going to add the other 1 teaspoon. So when you first taste the curry, you will feel the sweetness on your tongue first, and then the heat kicks in later.
Okay.
Because you're caramelizing the onion, so a little bit of sweetness from the onion, and the coconut milk. It
True chef.
has a little bit of sweetness to it. And I'm going to start off the rice because we'll serve it with. All right. Now let's get started with
Let's do it.
base of the curry. These are called garam masalas.
Yeah.
This is to flavor the oil.
Is that bay leaf? What is that?
Oh yeah, that's bay leaf. And this is my cinnamon
bar,
stick.
star anise,
Star anise.
cardamom.
And I'm going to lightly crush the cardamom so that it gives out its flavor. And what are these called? Cloves. Okay.
So once you smell the spice.
Just once you, because like I said, the idea of throwing in your garam masala in the hot oil is to flavor
Release
the oil.
it.
Yeah, to release the flavor. And then we will go in with the onion paste.
Yeah.
You keep stirring it till you get to the desired, and this is the part that takes so much time otherwise. So while this is done, while this is getting done, I usually clean and fix other things and cut my salad, and I keep turning back and I keep adding water and I keep stirring it.
See what we got here. This is so exciting to lift this up. With a big bite. Oh my God, that is so good. You know, the spice level on
Is
that?
the heat all right for you,
No,
David?
the heat is fine. I'm down with some heat, but it's balanced. I just should have bit that shrimp and not put the whole damn thing in my mouth. This is so good. Thank you so much for sharing.
You're welcome, David.
I cannot wait to share this with all of our
The
neighbors.
rest of
So we are cooking down our curry here. Flavors seem right. This is always the most nerve-wracking part, is when you're waiting for, the resin has already came. Oindrilla's already come by. She's tasted it. She says this is it. Just needs cooked down. She also said smells different. It's always going to smell different. I'm not in their spice cabinet, but hopefully we can honor the dish properly. Like, I'm still getting little bursts of heat in my mouth.
Yeah, I think this is good for everyone, yeah.
But like, I wouldn't mind it, like just like a tinge hotter.
I know my European friends will die if we do anything hotter.
Okay, so well, we won't kill anybody.
Yes, so
What do you think? Should we talk about it and serve some food?
yeah, we can get it
Cool.
started.